So which one to start first? This side, this side, this side, or center? Any idea?
Any side, I think top right side.
This one start first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you say this start first, okay. So we would have make a drawing, right? So what is the radius? Okay. So what is the radius? R15, right?
Yes, R15.
Okay. So R15. Okay, so 15. Okay, so I scroll so that it make bigger. Okay, right. Okay. Then there's another one is R13.7, right? Okay, so it's not picking the center. So what should I do? I need to on the snap setting. I see the this one's off. So I need to on the center. And then node. Okay, so okay. Now can I capture? Circle. Yeah, now can capture. So 37.5, right? 37.5. Okay, so then what? How next? How should I do? And next, how should any idea? Tell me. Oh. Any idea?
Center 134 degree.
Yes. Who's that? Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to make this
150,
line.
150 the distance.
Angle?
Angle for 134.
134. Okay. So line, center. So 150 is the distance. Then tab. Then angle is 134. 134. Okay, very good. Okay, so I close the circle. Then I need to draw diameter R24 and R60. Yeah. Circle R24. Then another circle R60. Yeah. Okay. So now again, what I should do from here, I need to make a line here. 22, 2, 2, 3, 2, right? So I just make a line here, joining this one. Okay, so I need to on the quadrant. Okay, otherwise I can just make a line here. I on the ortho, make this line here. So offset. Okay, I offset this one, modify, offset, enter 232.5. Okay, and choose here, move here. Okay, so I need to extend this one a little bit. So I stretch, modify, stretch. Okay, I just increase because then I stretch. Then I make another line.
Anna, is left side போட்டுக்கு?
Daniel.
Hello.
Jekins, I think
What
we
happened?
got
Anna, in the left side.
our room got closed. Yeah.
Oh, who closes?
English.
I don't know who closes. Oh, okay.
There's a mix-up in the rooms thing, Daniel.
Yeah, okay. Okay, now I'll open that back. I think somebody's closed this. I didn't tell you.
William அண்ணா இருக்கீங்களா? Anyone here?
Yes, everyone is here.
Oh,
We're 8% here.
okay, but Sir William,
Yes, I'm here.
no,
Okay, I don't know what happened. Suddenly I moved to main room. Did you all came to main room already? என்னாச்சு ஏதாவது என்னாச்சு இது பண்ணும்போது எல்லாரும் அங்க போய்ட்டோமா? Okay. Can. Okay, now ready-யா?
எல்லாரும் இருக்கோம் அண்ணா.
Okay.
கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம்.
Right. Sorry. Share screen. Okay, see this my screen drawing, right? Okay. Now 232, right? So I offset, then line. Okay, I make a line here. Okay. Now, before I go into this drawing, I think I better teach you the layer. Okay, we'll go to layer first, then again we'll come back to the drawing. Okay, so layer. Can you see this column? This is layers. Okay, what is layer? Layer is actually making different drawings in different layers. Okay, the page you got a book got maybe 10 pages. Meaning is this book got 10 pages, means first page, second page, third page is a transparent sheet. Okay, so புரியுதா லேயர்னா புரியுதா? ஒவ்வொரு பக்கமும் வந்து ஒவ்வொரு பேஜ், ஒவ்வொரு லேயர். சரியா? 10 பக்கம் இருந்ததுன்னா 10 லேயர். சரியா? புரியுதா இருக்காது? லேயர் யாருக்கா புரியலையா?
Is it thicker?
Do you understand what is layer? Layer meaning is actually, for example, there is, you see here, when we see here, I open this one layer. This is the layer, property layer manager. Here we have one layer. Okay. Now this is layer 0. Now this we are drawing in the layer 0. Okay. Now I add one more layer. See, for example, I add one more layer. I make this as I change the name to. I right click and then change the name to. I put me right. Okay. So what I'll do, I will change this one. Okay. What is the purpose of the layer? When we have a big drawings, when we have a drawings that is very large, and so when you want to break it, the layer will be useful. One thing. Then the second thing is when you have dimension, too many dimensions, you want to put separately dimensions, don't want to show, then the layer will be useful. Sometimes there will be doors and windows in the wall. In a building, you want only the door drawings, then you can just on the door layer and then you can see all the doors. Okay, I don't know whether you understand my explanation on. Maybe when we go inside deep, then maybe we can understand. Jillian?
Yeah, anyone understand this one? What is purpose of layer?
Yeah, maybe you can explain.
Okay, simply explain. Okay, you have one room inside, floor is tiles, then another thing is furniture, another is electronics. Okay, we should differentiate different layer. Okay, the tiles floor is one layer, we should make one layer. Then the furniture all the second layer, another layer. Then electronics items, the another layer. Okay, what is the purpose for this? Suppose you want to area of the flora, you can off another layer, don't disturb the main object. Okay, any doubts?
No, it's clear. Thank you very much.
Okay, suppose you want to count the only furniture, you can off the floor layer and the electronics layer. Okay, same thing, this drawing actually the proper drawing, you make the dimension is different layer and the center line is different layer, then the text also different layer. This is the proper drawing. So the usage of layer is this thing. Okay, we going to another future, you can understand.
Okay, thanks
Okay, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க, நான் அந்த டைம்ல நான் இது பண்றேன்.
Okay, right. Okay, so இப்போ புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு ஓரளவுக்கு. You might understand a bit. You may you already understood a little bit.
இல்ல நான் எதுவும் ஃபாஸ்டா பேசுறேனா?
இல்ல கரெக்ட். நீ நான்
எது சொல்லணும்னா மெதுவாவே சொல்லிடுறேன் நான்.
Okay, right. Okay. So now I will create some of the drawing. Okay, just now he say we need to create drawing layers for different purpose, right? So for this, when you press this button, say okay, this is a layer property. This layer property, how do you open? You go here, click this button, then it will become this layer. The layer property will be on. Okay, and then you need to add one more layer. You need to add this. You need to create new layer. Okay, you can put Alt N also will create a new layer. Okay, so for example, if you want to open this one also, you can have a shortcut key. So is there. So now I open new layers. Okay, right click. Then I just change the layer. Okay, I put maybe for example center line. Okay, CENTER, center. Okay, then okay, I open already. Then I make one more drawing. I make like dimension. Okay, right click, then dimension. 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 Okay, then I want to create this. Maybe we imagine that this drawing is an assembly drawing. Okay, for example, imagine this drawing is. Okay, can you see the drawing?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so what I want to do is I want to imagine this one as assembly. Okay, and this is one part and this is one part. Okay, and then this is joined together in the center by this circle or this shaft, this key shaft. Okay, we will imagine that this is so I want to put this one is a separate folder as a separate layer, and this one I want to put it in a separate layer. So both I want to keep it in this a different layer and different layer. Okay, so I want to keep this one this layer maybe name is right and this layer name is left. Okay, so this is left and this is right. Okay, so I'll make two layers. Insert, then right click, right. Okay, sorry. Insert, right click, right, RIGHT. Okay, apply. Then this one change already. So right click. Then this is dimension, right?
William.
Yes. Solunga.
Can you explain how to start the layer first? New layer. How to create the new layer?
Okay.
Which one menu?
So
okay, student, you listen this one. This is the project. What layer manager? Layer property. How to create the layer first? Okay, you go the. நீங்க ஏரோ மார்க் அந்த கர்சரை கொண்டு போங்க.
Layer property manager. Okay.
Yeah, layer property manager.
Press layer property manager.
Sir, அந்த ribbon எனக்கு இல்லையா எனக்கு.
This one is
create the new layer.
இல்ல மேல அங்க கிளிக் பண்றோம் இல்லையா? இந்த லேயர் கிளிக் பண்றீங்க அந்த இதே இல்ல. ribbon
இல்லையா? ஓகே
கமாண்ட் எதுவும் இருக்கானே? கமாண்ட் இருந்துச்சுனா
அப்ப என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
Layer is a command.
லேயர் கமாண்ட். ஓகே.
லேயர் நடிங்க. LAYER நடிங்க. வருதா? LAYER நடிங்க. வருதா?
ஓகே வந்து.
Okay, so because உங்களுக்கு நியூ வெர்ஷனா இருக்கும். கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும், அது வேற இடத்துல இருக்கும். அதனால நீங்க ரீட் பண்ண முடியும் நீங்க. சரியா?
சரி.
Okay, right. So you go here property manager, then if you cannot, then you can type layer and you will get this one. Then here it's the right click and then you can change the thing. Okay, dimension, right? Okay dana?
Yeah, this one whatever you want, which name, any name you can give this layer name. For example, center line dimension is different layer, so dimension the name. Main object, second object. Okay, anything. Any name you can give a.
Okay. So now I'm giving a right and left. Okay.
Right object, left object, joint object.
Okay. So apply. Okay, I keep it maybe right and left together same. Okay.
One more layer can create.
Okay.
Joint object. Joint.
Join. Okay. Apply. Okay. So okay. Now, if you want to delete something, maybe I don't want maybe like any layer.
Zero.
I can just zero. I don't want. Then delete. Zero cannot be deleted because it's a important. Okay. What drawing cannot be. So maybe I create a new one. Okay. Then if I want to delete, I can just delete this one. See, gone. Apply.
Select and delete.
Okay. Understand? So if you want to create new layer, is this one. Then if you don't want the layer, then you select this layer. Okay, select this layer, then delete, then apply. Gone. Okay, so delete the layer. Then how you know which layer you draw? Okay, two things. One is actually this is a status. Status meaning is actually the layer that you draw. Okay. For example, I'll close this one. See here, it says you're now you are in joint layer. There is whatever you draw, it will be the joint layer. Okay. So I don't want to have a joint layer. First I want to move this one to. Okay. Move this one to layer, left layer. Okay, sorry, right layer. So click this one, then select this layer, right, then everything will be moved to right. Then enter. Okay, so everything will move to right. Apply. Sorry. Now this one is moved to right. See? Now join layer, right? When I click here, it automatically changes to right layer. See, the layer is right here, right? Here also right. So I already moved this one from the zero layer to right layer. So this one should be in the joint layer, right? This is the center, right? So joint layer. So what should I do? Now this layer is actually zero. I need to change to center joint layer. So what should I do? I go here, go join. Then this is now this one has become joint layer already. Okay, so I click here, it will become join. See? Click here, it will become join. Okay. Now I'm going to make another circle, another things here. So I need to make it to is a left layer. Okay. So okay. So first I'll make the drawings. Then we will be continuing to the layer. Okay. So drawing is actually okay. So I just make it smaller so you can see. So now what we should do? We already made a line here 235.2 232.5 we already drawn already. So then what we do is actually offset this one by 22.5. Okay, R is 22.5. So R is 22. Maybe I'll make a circle. I think this is something like something is wrong. Maybe the offset is not correct. Okay, this length is a little shorter. Let me see what is the problem. Okay, modify offset. Offset should be 232.5. Huh? See, the line should be here, not here. Okay, so I need to stretch this one so that I'll get more. So modify, stretch. Okay. So now I delete this one, wrong one. Okay. Then this one should be also stretch. Modify, stretch. Okay. So I need to draw a circle. Okay. So I need to make another draw. Offset is 37.5. Okay. Modify offset 37.5. Okay. Now I make a circle here on 22.5 radius. Okay. Then I make a, okay. Now this one is supposed to be all in a what layer? It should be in the right layer, right? So I supposed to, before I make the drawing, I should put it in the right layer, but I didn't change, but now I'm changing. Okay. So whatever line I make, it will be in the right layer. Okay. So then this is 18.81.
Excuse me, can I say something?
Yeah, please.
Okay, student. Okay, we can do two way. First, you draw all the object, then you fix the layer. First, we create all the layer, right? After you draw all the object, then you fix the layer. Second thing, first you select the layer, then you draw the particular layer. Two way. Suppose you forgot to change the layer, you draw first all the object, same layer you draw. Then you select the object, then you fix to the layer. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Anyone
Understand. It
Yeah.
can be anything if I want the name. Is it?
Sorry?
Sir, name, anything can I put this name, right?
Yes. Any name you can put.
Any name you can put the layer name.
Yes, sir.
As you like. Suppose center line you want to radius separate, you can give the name radius dimension. Anything you can give the name.
Just differentiate the one portion to another portion.
Can.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Give me a minute. Okay. So offset then okay, now I forgot to change the layer before, so I did. Now I changed already. So now I will be drawing in the right drawing. That means supposed to be drawing in the right or left. This right or left? Supposed to be left, right? Also my mistake. So it should be left. Okay. So left. Then okay, if I offset, surely it will be on the whatever this layer, the offset will be, it cannot be a new layer. It will be in the same layer that is, okay, for example, you offset this one. Okay, this is a joint layer. So you offset also, it will become a joint layer. Okay. So as Chilin says, we will change all the thing after we finish. Okay. 18.81. Okay, so we did already. Okay, now we need to make a line here. Starting from here, go to this tangent. Okay, so tangent already, tangent, right? See, there is a circle here. There is a circle and a line. Meaning this is a tangent. Here you can see tangent. Can everybody see tangent?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
So you cannot select the quadrant. See, if I move a little bit further down, it will be selecting the quadrant. Actually, no, now I did off the quadrant, so okay. So tangent is you need to click on the tangent. Okay. So here, start from here, then again go to here, then tangent. Okay. Right. So now I need to delete this one. Delete. And I need to delete this one. No, sorry. I should not delete. Okay. So now I need to trim. Okay. This one I can delete. And, this one I can delete. Delete. This one I can delete. Then now I can trim. Modify. Trim. got some video TV is going on. I can see it. I can hear the TV sound. Okay, so this been done already. Okay, so now this one I will change to okay now. Okay. Now, okay, this one is supposed to be okay. I don't make the key shaft layer because I don't want to create unnecessary time. So you just you all know how to make the key shaft, right? You all know how to make this one. And do you want me to draw or no need?
This will be no, sir. Take the center point we draw. We know.
You can draw. Okay.
Yeah.
So then again, I just only make the tangent only. Okay. So make sure that you on the O snap tangent one. See here, O snap. See, sorry, O snap setting. Then make sure that this is this quadrant is off. Okay, if this quadrant quadrant on, you know what will happen? Line. See this quadrant. Then this is also quadrant because it is not being the tangent. Okay, so I better off the quadrant. So setting, I off the quadrant and on the tangent. Okay, and node also I off. So make sure that I'll capture the correct thing. So line. Okay, so it's capturing the center point, right? So I also don't want to center point. Also I want to close. You know, because this is on one corner, so it's trying to capture the center point. Setting. I close the center point. Okay. So now I make a line here. See, now is only tangent. So it's capturing the tangent point. Just now it is capturing center point, right? Okay. See, sorry. Undo. Enter. Then line here. Center. Okay. Okay. Now, this one I want to make it to what layer? Right layer. Okay. This various layer. Now I change everything to right layer. See, now I get not showing because why is not showing? Because the various, it's got many layers. See, various meaning this line is from one layer, this line is from one layer. So it can be different type of layers in different type of lines and different type of layers. So now I change everything, change it to right. Okay. So now everything is changed to right. Okay. Then right. So select here. Okay. Select this one. This one I select. This one I select. And then I change this also various. Various I change to. Here also I can change. Here also I can change, and here also I can change. So I change left. Okay, enter. Done. So this one what I do, I just change to join layer. Okay. So this one is join, change, go to join layer. Okay, enter. Then this one I make it to center line. This one I change to center. Okay. And then I also want one more layer got dimensions, right? Okay, so now what I do, I go to dimensions layer. I on the dimension layer before I make dimensions. Okay. So I make this radius to 24 or R24. Dimensions, radius, R24. Okay, so I need to change the setting. Okay, now you cannot see, but it's okay. I don't want to waste time here. Okay, so this is radius. This is the dimensions, right? Then dimensions, radius, this one. Then dimension, this one. So align from here to here's the align dimension. Okay. So align. Then why, you know why I choose align, right? Okay, so okay, I think enough. Now this layer, first we saw this is status, right? If you want which layer to be active, you just select the H layer. You want 0 to be active, just select that layer here. So it will be in the 0. Okay. Then this one is actually this will be 0. Now this layer is active. Whatever you draw, it will be drawn in this layer. Now name you can change any name. Okay. On is actually you can on a layer or off a layer. For example, I just right I off. Okay. What happens? See, whatever I draw and right is gone. Correct? See, now I on the right layer. Now I can get back. I can get back. See, it come back. Okay. Now freeze. Freeze is what? I can just freeze this one. Now I can still see, but I cannot sell. Okay. Apply. Freeze also, it's gone. On and freeze என்ன difference?
ஆன்றது சுத்தமா ஆஃப் ஆன் ஆஃப் ஆயிரும்.
Freeze.
Freeze வந்து பிரிண்ட் அவுட்ல வராது, ஆனா கேன் விசிபிள்.
But now is not visible.
இது என்ன இது காப்பிரைட் இதா உங்களுக்கு ஒரிஜினல் வெர்ஷனா?
தெரியலையே. 2007.
இல்ல 2007. சம்டைம்ஸ் வந்து இந்த பைரேட் பண்றாங்கல்ல, அதுல வந்து மிஸ்டேக் ஆகும்.
Okay, can. So okay, according to the thing is actually now you understand freeze and on is almost same condition. Okay, freeze and on is almost same. Okay, then come to lock. Lock is
one more thing. Freeze purpose means suppose you freeze the layer, we cannot move, edit anything.
lock la varudha.
Lock la varudha.
See, now I lock.
Freeze. Sir, right.
Lock and apply. See, now I cannot move this one. I cannot move. See, for example, I try to delete. See whether I can delete or not. Okay. I cannot delete. I can select. I cannot delete. See, but this one I can select. This one I can select and then delete. Okay. I lock which layer? I lock. Okay, left and right I lock. Okay, so I open the layer. Left I open. Now left is only lock. Okay, so on right I can delete. See, I can delete, but here I cannot delete. You see, I cannot delete. So you understand what is this?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now I undo already. Okay, so again I go to property manager. Now we are in this stage, right? Lock. You understand what is lock, right? So you understand what is on and freeze is almost same. Okay, now it just remember almost same. Okay, later if there is any change, if I came to know anything, then I'll let you know exactly what it is. Okay, then lock
exactly is difference we can explain later.
Yeah, I'll explain to you later. So this one is just remember almost same. Okay, lock, you know what is lock, right? Lock meaning is actually you just suddenly lock the question. You cannot do edit or move anything. Nothing can be moved. Okay, I show you later. Then color. You can choose the color of the line. For example, maybe I choose red for this layer. Okay, red for right layer. Okay, I choose red. Or I can choose any color like for example, if I want the exact same color, then I can choose the true color or color blocks or whatever it is. Okay, choose anything from here. Okay, so I choose. So apply. So all this layer belong to this layer with the color already changed. Now line type. Line type actually, what line you want. Here you got only one cover line. If you want more lines, you can load. See, you can put load. Then you have different layers. So you can click the layer. Then what size of maybe you can want maybe dotted line or what line you want, center line or whatever line it is. You just choose the line you want. Then okay. Then okay. Okay. Then okay. So did it change or not? Did it change? No, I haven't changed. Okay, so I haven't changed properly. So go here, So this line is continuous. So then I change. Then after I load, I need to choose the thing. Then I should put OK, then apply, then it change the line. See, it becomes this kind of line already. So the line type already changed. Okay, next one. Now I change the layer to right. Right is a locked one. So okay, freeze of thought. Okay, correct. So right is on. Now right is on. So now I need to change the line weight, right? So now what is this? Okay, let's check what is this. Property. Okay, so now we have to line weight. Okay, line type we already saw. Line weight. Line weight is actually I want to show in left. Line. What is line weight? Line weight is the thickness of the line. Okay. For example, I select this line, maybe like 1 mm. Okay, 1 mm means the line thickness will be 1 mm. Apply. But I see no difference. Why is no difference? Essentially, here there is a line where you can see the line type, line thickness. Okay, there is a setting is there. Where is the setting? Line thickness is actually
Okay, this one only can see in the printout line weight.
Yeah, line weight only can see the printout. So you need to change the printout, then only you can see the thing. Clear?
Okay, what is the purpose of the line weight, you know? Because suppose you want to bold this one line thickness.
See, now become 1 hour. Line weight is here. You need to on this one, then you can see. You on this one, then the line thickness can see. See, the thickness is too much, right? So I just changed the line thickness to the line weight to be like 0.5. Okay, don't 0.4. Okay, so I change the layer. Fine, I go here, layer 0.25. Is it right layer, right? Sorry, supposed to be left layer. Left layer, then 0.25. Then line weight. See, then change already. Okay. So now the line weight is already is 1 mm. So line weight is yeah, line weight is bilayer, right? Why like this? Line weight. Okay. Now you cannot see the line weight. Okay. Understand clear? So line weight is, if you want to see the line weight, you need to on this one. Okay. And the print also you can do a setting like say you can the print you either you want to line weight or don't want, you can just change. Okay. So now we go to line. Okay. So this one now I change to 0.5. Apply. Oh, sorry. Okay. Apply. Okay. So now it will be still 0.5. It looks very big. Okay. Right. Anything else? Then okay. Go here. Line weight. Then plot style. Okay, plot style is actually you can create. Then plot. Plot is actually you can see you can either plot this layer or don't want to plot. You don't want to plot maybe like for example this line. So what you can do is actually you can you can cut off this one. Maybe you can cut off like left layer. If I use this one, when you do plotting, I show you. Okay, you do plotting, you cannot see this one. Then description is actually you can add any description about for the drawing. Okay, so this is okay. Now I show you plot. Okay, I already cut the which layer I cut. Okay, maybe I will plot configuration 0 center def points. Okay, def points is not a def points is a layer that you don't touch off. Okay, that automatically created actually. Okay, like apply. Okay, Now I print out this drawing. Okay, file, plot. I choose maybe like okay, Qt PDF or DWG2 PDF. Okay, then choose the window. Preview. I can see everything. I don't know why. Okay, maybe I don't know whether you need to set the plotter correctly. Then it may not, maybe printing. So now I can see everything. But now actually I already remove the. You just understand what is this. This I remove the plotter. So this will not be plotted. Okay, clear. So this is to edit the remove the plotting. When you plot it, this will not show. Okay. So any question today? 9:20. Okay, Kavita can off the recording.
Okay, I asked some question to student. Can
Yeah,
hello.
proceed.
Oh, okay. நீங்க அப்படியே அந்த டிராயிங்கை காட்டுங்க. Student, okay, I need only the object. No need dimension. What I do? What we do? Hello.
So dimension style we no need to fix.
Dimension?
Layer.
Dimension style we
layer.
no need to fix.
No, not dimension style. In layer, how should we do?
Layer.
No, I don't want to the dimension. Only the I want to see the object only. What I do? Okay, நீங்க
freeze the
explain பண்ணுங்க.
dimension layer.
Yes.
First off the dimension layer.
Okay, go
Correct.
here. Then dimension layer is actually off. Okay. Apply. Okay. All dimensions gone.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, I want to see left object only.
Left object. Only you want to see this one, right? I need to cut off the right? So
Left object only. So
Layer
other all layer should offer.
you understand what LNG is saying?
I want to take print out left object only. Hello.
Okay, this is the left one.
So left only.
Clear?
Okay.
Any question? Okay. So the purpose of why I need to off, I need to tell you this one. So maybe I.
முடிக்க மாட்டாங்க போலயே. அண்ணே.
சொல்லுங்க. Okay. Now I want to move this one, and then I want to put it in maybe, for example, both layers. Again, now what is this layer? This is the join layer, right? I want to put this one as a left layer also. I want to put a right layer also. I want to put. How can I change? So what should I do? I copy this one. Okay. Modify, copy this one. I put somewhere else here. Okay. Then I move this one to what layer? Maybe like left. Okay, now is moved to the left layer. Okay. Then I want to move this one again. I have to if you want, I can copy to other layer. Okay. No need. Left and join is enough. Okay. Now I move back. Modify. Okay, I copy again. Copy. Yeah, I want to off the center. Center on. Okay. Move. Center already on. Copy object. Why cannot capture that? Okay. Why cannot capture that? Okay. Is it because it's off? No, it's on already. Give me that. Oh, snap on. Okay. Sorry. Okay, now I put back here. Now you see, now I got this both layer got 0. This circle. So even I off the joint, it will be still visible. You understand what is the purpose of this? See, this is still there. So I can change to, this is the way you can move. If necessary, this layer, this one need to be in all the layer, then you can just copy and then paste it here and then change the layer, so you can see all these things. Clear? You understand?
ஆனா ஒரு டவுட் ஒன்று.
சொல்லுங்க.
இப்போ நம்ம வந்து இப்போ லெஃப்ட் லேயர் அப்படிங்கிறப்போ அந்த லெஃப்ட்ல உள்ள அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் தானே நமக்கு வந்து அந்த லேயர்ல தெரியணும்.
ஆமா.
இப்போ ரைட் லேயர்ல இருக்குது. ஆனா வந்து நம்ம வந்து எல்லா லேயருமே பாக்குறோமே, அது எப்படி? நம்ம ஆக்சுவலா இப்போ ரைட் லேயர் ஆன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அப்போ வந்து என்னோட ரைட் லேயர்ல என்ன இருக்கோ அது மட்டும் தான் நம்ம பார்க்கணும்.
இல்ல நான் ஆஃப் பண்ணலையே. நான் ஆஃப் பண்ணா தெரியாது. பாருங்க.
எது ஆன் ஆயிருக்கோ அதெல்லாம் தெரியும்.
இல்ல இப்ப
எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டேன்.
எந்த லேயர்ல வர்க் பண்றோமோ அந்த லேயர் மட்டும் தான் தெரியும்.
See, இது ரைட் மட்டும் தான் தெரியுது. மத்தெல்லாம் தெரியல பாருங்க.
இல்ல அத ஆஃப் பண்ணாதான்.
நீங்க மேல செலக்ட் பண்ணத வச்சு கேக்குறீங்களா?
ஆமா.
மேல செலக்ட் பண்றது வந்து அந்த லேயர்ல நம்ம வர்க் பண்றோம். இப்ப அங்க ரைட்ன்னு இருக்கு பாத்தீங்களா? அத நீங்க செலக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா நீங்க போடுற டிராயிங் எல்லாமே வந்து ரைட் லேயர்ல தான் காப்பி ஆகும். உங்களுக்கு டிரா பண்ண முடியும். ஆன் ஆஃப்ன்றது வந்து உங்களுக்கு பாக்குறதும் ஆன் ஆஃப். இப்ப நீங்க ஆன் ஆஃப்னாலே மீனிங் இருக்குல்ல, பாக்குறது இப்ப ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டோம்னா பார்க்க முடியாது. அதுதான் நீங்க மேல செலக்ட் பண்றது வந்து அந்த லேயர் எடுத்து வைக்கிறோம், அந்த ஷீட்டை எடுத்து வச்சு அதுல மட்டும் தான் டிரா பண்ண முடியும். வேற லேயருக்கு அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் போகாது.
ஓகே, இப்ப அந்த சீட் எடுக்கிறப்ப அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் தெரியும்னா மொத்த எந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டும் அதுல வரக்கூடாதுல்ல? அப்ப
அதாவது இது வந்து ஏற்கனவே அவர் சொன்னார்ல, சார் சொன்னார்ல, இது வந்து டிரான்ஸ்பரண்ட் ஷீட் மாதிரி எல்லா லேயரும் வந்து ஒரே இதுல இருக்கும். அப்ப உங்களுக்கு வந்து எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்டும் தெரியும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா தெரியும். எது ஆன் ஆஃப் பண்றோமோ அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம டிஃபரன்ஷியேட் பண்ணி பார்க்க முடியும். இப்ப லெஃப்ட் லேயரோட ஆப்ஜெக்டும் இருக்கும், அதுக்கு மேல வந்து ரைட் லேயர் ஷீட் இருக்கும், அப்புறம் வந்து ஜாயின் லேயர் ஷீட் இருக்கும். இது எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்டும் இப்ப தெரியுமா டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா?
அப்ப எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுமே அந்த லேயர்ல தெரியுமா? அப்ப நம்ம ரைட்ல வர்க் பண்றோம்.
இது வந்து காமனா ஸ்கிரீன்ல வந்து எல்லா லேயரும் ஆன்ல இருக்கப்ப எல்லாமே தெரியும். உங்களுக்கு பர்టిక్యులரா ஒரு லேயர்ல இருக்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் தான் வேணும், லெஃப்ட்ல இருக்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மட்டும் தான் வேணும்னா லெஃப்ட் லேயரை மட்டும் ஆன்ல வச்சுட்டு மத்த எல்லாத்தையும் ஆஃப் பண்ணிடணும். நீங்க ஒர்க் பண்ண வசதி இருக்கணும்ல. இப்ப இந்த இடம் ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகுது, எங்க ஜாயிண்ட் ஆகுதுன்னு எப்படி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு? அப்ப எல்லா லேயரும் உங்களுக்கு வரணும்ல. இப்ப ஒரு வால் இருக்குன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், வால்ல வந்து எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் லைன் போகுது. ஹலோ,
சொல்லுங்க.
வால்ல வந்து நீங்க ஒரு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் லைன் வரையறீங்க, வால் லேயரும் தெரியாம நீங்க எப்படி எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் லைன் வரைவீங்க? இப்ப எப்படி எது வரைக்கும் போகணும்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? அப்ப எல்லா லேயரும் ஆன்ல இருக்கப்பதான் உங்களுக்கு எலக்ட்ரிக்கல் லைனை வரைய முடியும். அதுக்காக தான் அந்த பர்பஸ்க்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். உங்களுக்கு வால் வேணாம் அப்படின்னா வாலை மட்டும் ஆஃப் பைப்பிங் பண்றீங்க,
ஆஃப் பண்ணா மட்டும் தான் இதாகும். ஓகே,
ஆஃப் பண்ணா மட்டும் தான் போகும்.
இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ வந்து லெஃப்ட் ரைட் ரெண்டு லேயர் தான் வச்சிருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஒன்னு வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஒன்னு ரைட், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே, சோ அதுக்கப்புறம் இப்போ வந்து லெஃப்ட் லேயர் இது வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் காமன். இந்த ஐயா இப்போ லெஃப்ட் ஆஃப் பண்றேன் பாருங்க. லெஃப்ட் ஆஃப் ஆயிடுச்சா?
ஆஃப் ஆனா மட்டும் இந்த லேயர்ல.
இப்போ வந்து லெஃப்ட் ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு ரைட் ஆஃப் பண்றேன் பாருங்க.
சரி, இப்படியே வைங்க. இப்ப வந்து நீங்க இந்த ஒரு கார்னர் மட்டும் எனக்கு ஒரு லைன் வரையணும். இப்ப இந்த கார்னர்ல இருந்து லெஃப்ட் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல இருக்க ஒரு ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ல வந்து நீங்க லைனை வந்து ஜாயின் பண்ணணும். எப்படி பண்ணுவீங்க? இப்ப ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது இல்ல, புரியுதா இல்லையா? அப்ப அந்த லேயர் ஆன்ல இருந்தா தானே பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்காக தான் எல்லா லேயரும் ஆன்ல வச்சுட்டு எங்க போய் ஜாயின் பண்ணுவீங்க அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டே தெரியாம. அதனால தான் எல்லாம் ஆன்ல இருந்துச்சுன்னா எல்லா ஆப்ஜெக்டும் தெரியும். நார்மலா ஸ்கிரீன்ல பிரிண்ட் அவுட் எடுக்கிறப்ப இப்ப ஒரு இன்ஜினியரே வந்து கேட்பாரு, எனக்கு வால்ல வேணாம், ஒன்லி பிளம்பிங் லைன் எங்க மட்டும் போகுது அப்படின்னா இதெல்லாம் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டு அதை காமிக்கலாம்.
இப்படி ஒரு லைன் போடணும். நான் எப்படி போடுவீங்க? ரெண்டு ஓபன் பண்ணா இந்த லைன் வந்து இதுல போட்டிருக்கேன், நானு 0ல போட்டிருக்கேன் நானு. ஓகே, இது வேற லேயர். பட் ஆனா இது ஜாயின் பண்ணி இந்த லேயர் ஜாயின் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்கேன். புரியுதா?
அந்த இதுக்காக தான் ஆன்ல இருந்தா எல்லா ஆன்ல இருந்தா எல்லாமே தெரியும். அப்ப
ஓகே
சோ இது வந்து 0 லேயர்ல இருக்கு. இது வந்து லெஃப்ட் லேயர்ல இருக்கு. இது வந்து ரைட் லேயர்ல இருக்கு. புரியுதா? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கா அதுல? நீங்க வரைஞ்சு பார்த்தா தெரியும். எனி டவுட்?
இல்ல ஓகே.
ஓகே, சோ கவிதா